Look, you take that thing right there, that thing called your phone, and then put it like far away. Put it far away from your bed. That way, when your phone alarm goes off, you don't instantly turn it off and then, snooze and keep going to bed. Instead, you got to get up from your bed and you got to go walk over and you got to go turn off your damn phone. And when you get up like that, it's harder to go back to sleep. Also, by the time you get up and go turn off your phone, you put your clothes where you're going to turn off your phone, and then you change into your clothes, or you take your clothes and you bring them to the bathroom, and then you take a bathroom shower. Okay. Also, with your phone now, you're on the alarm app, right? You go to stopwatch. No, not stopwatch. Timer. And you put it for like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. If you're a demon like me, not demon actually, like, but like if you're fast, like aggressive, and you want to get in there, and you want to do your thing, and you want to shower quickly, get out, because of efficiency. So that's just a tip for you that you can use if you want.